Before we get started, subscribe to my channel. I just arrived here at the college getting ready to teach an inspection class. And if you're interested in taking some CWI quizzes, if you're getting ready to take the big test, I have quizzes on my website at www.weldingandstuff.net. That's www.weldingandstuff.net. I also have links in the description below. So I talked to a few people after they've taken these quizzes, and they say that they are very beneficial to them. It gives you a head up of what type of questions going to be on the test. So you won't be behind if you ever go and take the seminar or things like that. I would recommend taking these quizzes before you pay $1,000, $1,500, $2,500 to go take the exam and seminar. But anyway, what I was doing, I'm making this video about, I know you guys may have experienced this before, but are these phones listening to us? And the reason why I'm saying that, because last week when me and my wife was heading to the airport to go to Vegas, and my wife asked me a question. She said, "What would you want for Christmas?" I said, "Well, I got everything. I got my truck. We got a house. I got everything I really need. I don't need anything. I don't want anything." I said, if I ever want anything, it'll be my class ring from 1990 when I graduated. I said, because I wasn't able to afford a class ring back then in 1990. I said, matter of fact, I didn't even ask my parents. I said, I probably could have got a class ring if I would have mentioned it or asked my older brothers and sisters. They would have chipped in and got me one, but they had kids of their own, so I didn't bother with it. And we was talking, and we got to the airport. And when I got to the airport, I opened up my phone and clicked on Facebook. And the first thing popped up was this website talking about class rings. And it gave this sad story about you probably couldn't afford it back then. Now is the time, get your class ring. I said, man, that's my story right there. I said, wow, I showed that to my wife. We looked at each other. She said, we didn't type anything in. I said, these phones have been listening to us for years. A matter of fact, when I be in my class teaching the CWI prep courses or any inspection courses, I put my phone on my desk and I'm walking around and I start asking the kids questions or the students questions. We start talking about the E7018, the austenitic temperature. We start talking about a heat affected zone. And all of a sudden Siri will pop up and try to answer some of these questions or try to dial different people. And I know the only way I can activate Siri with my voice, I have to say, hey, Siri. And then she'll say, And then you ask the question. But I don't say, hey, Siri or nothing. I'm just talking in the class, teaching the CWI prep courses and just talking about all this welding. And this phone activates. So guys, what do you think? Is these devices listening to us? I know they are. That's a question I shouldn't even ask, because this have happened to me many times years ago, and it's getting worse these days. But anyway, you guys leave comments. I would like to hear some of your stories in the comments below. Are you guys experiencing these phones picking up your voice or websites popping up? Even some people tell me sometimes they be thinking about things, and when they open their phone, this stuff pops up. I don't know. I know I'm a little conspiracy guy sometimes, but I know these phones are listening to us. All right. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel, and have a great day. I got to walk into the college and teach this course. And like I said, again, if you want to take some CWI prep quizzes, go to my website at www.weldingandstuff.net. So www.weldingandstuff.net. Talk to you guys later.